So the breaker is back on. Once I flip this switch, you'll see that the ring should blink, and that'll mean that we're all good. There you go. Cool. Let's set it up. Whoa. Okay, so the power is on. That is blinking blue. I already have the Ring app because I have another camera, and I'm not going to show it because it has my personal information on it, but I want to see how easy it is. So I click Setup Device, Security Cameras, scan the QR code on the Ring product. Got to find the QR code now. They were nice to us and put it on the instructions so I don't have to go back up there. So I'll scan the code. Floodlight cam wired plus detected. Put my address in, give it a name. It says remove the film that we already did. It has been installed. The light is flashing. Connecting to your Floodlight cam.
Now connected to the Ring app.
That's it. That's easy. Easy peasy.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment. Now installing an update. This may take several minutes.
So then you can link it to other devices. I'm not going to go into a huge amount of detail because the Ring app makes it really easy. And actually, the install was really easy. Okay, let's see. It's working.